Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and if you have problem with hard water and your water is not good at your house, or you want an extra filtration every time that you take a shower because it's good for the body and the hair, you can buy this on Home Depot. It's a shower filter. You buy this piece. I already make another video, and you adapt it into your shower head. I'm gonna show you right now. I just remove this piece and remove the previous filter. We put this filter 6 months ago, and can you see it's orange? And this is the new filter that I just bought. So you just replace it. It's really easy to do it. I will make a pause because I'm recording with one hand, and then I'm gonna continue recording, okay? Okay, I already closed that, and here, I don't know if you can see, it's hard to see, but it's the month of January, so it's the end of December. So if the filter will last 6 months, I will put like 5 months, because in this house the water is really bad shape. So let's make 5. So I will move this piece until May. Let me get a pause. Okay, so I'm gonna put this piece here and then hook it there. Because I'm recording with just one hand, I'm gonna make a pause again and continue recording. Okay, that's it. I already removed the filter here, and I put May to remember when is the last time that I have to replace the filter. If you want to remove this orange thing, you put a Ziploc bag with some vinegar and leave it for overnight, and that will do the trick. Thank you for watching. This is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. 407-572-4118.